Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It's a special video because we're looking at our special girl, Zatanna. Let's go! Okay, so we have from most likely the best animated series of all time, the Batman animated series, our favorite character from DC, Zatanna. Okay, so you can see that this particular package contains 12 pieces. I can already see an accessory here, and of course her stuff. And yeah, this is part of the DC Collectibles 25 years, if I'm not mistaken. And you can already see the beautiful Zatanna figure. Okay, at the back, we just see Batman. This was released when, let's see, not shown here, 2016 perhaps, series of 2016. So it's been so long since this was released, and we've had this for the longest time, but we decided to finally unbox it because we need space to buy more boxes of toys. So anyway, before we do that, this is a Heroclix page channel, so we have to look at Zatanna in Heroclix form. Okay, and we have the figure here. Okay, so you can see a smoke of magic surrounding her with the top hat, okay, and the wand and a bat, I think. Okay, so let's take a look at the card for Zatanna. Zatanna is set number 61, a super rare from the Batman the Animated Series. You can see the logo of the Batman Animated Series is just like the silhouette of Batman here. So it's very true to that. Zatanna has the Justice League celebrity and mystical keywords. Real name is Zatanna Zatara. And a trait, Justice League Unlimited. This is a shared trait. At the beginning of your turn, roll a d6, and on a 6, remove an action token from another character with the Justice League keyword that's 100 points or less. So it's like semi-pseudo leadership. And then special attack power, magic powers, and showmanship, penetrating psychic blast, TK. Free, generate a bat bystander, maximum of which is 2. And a special damage power, what's with the backwards pick, perplex, and prob. Okay, so you can see this is an open card. Okay, so it's a flip card. Okay, and you can see the bat here is 0 passenger, 0 points, has sidestep and a special defense power, adorable and helpful, enhancement and shape change. Okay, so actually we have bystander tokens for the bat. Okay, so maximum 2, so that's why we have a couple of them. I like this particular Zatanna figure because this is part of my winning team in one of the national tournaments here in the Philippines. Okay, I ended up I think playing JV Villones, okay, and then he won the tournament, okay, but I won second place for first runner-up, okay, so which is a good thing, okay. So when I was just starting then, okay, so you can see on the back of the card, significant appearance is Justice League Unlimited. This little piggy, okay, can't remember that episode at the moment. Okay, she has Mystics team ability as well, and she comes in either at 75 or 50 points. But for me, I probably have used her more on the 50-point line. Okay, as a support piece, she has that perplex and prob. Okay, but if you want to maximize Zatanna, you can always use her full points because the special attack power only appears on that particular point line, and again the enhancement on the bats is really helpful. Okay, usually I use him at 50, but during the nationals I used her 75, and then she would be just staying at the back close to Lord Chaos and Master Order. Okay, so Lord Chaos Master Order was one of my main piece back then. Okay, so you can probably get an idea how long that was ago. So anyway, I love Zatanna. So let's take a look at the action figure. Okay, so I was really contemplating whether to unbox this one, but as I said, you need to unbox so that you can buy more box. I think that's the motto of collectors. Okay, I'm not a huge MISB collector. Okay, but I try to keep some mint in seal box. I don't think this is mint in seal box though, because there is a tape here. I don't know if that's part of the original packaging. And I cannot seem to open it. Probably with that tape. No, it's a bit hard. Okay, do I try to protect? Or let's just get it over with? Okay, let's just get it over with. Okay, so let's unbox Zatanna. We'll put her on the shrine of Zatannas that we have. Okay, so we should have 12 pieces here. Ooh. Nice, nice, nice. So clean cut. And then we have the Batman animated series inserts here. We don't need that. Okay, let's take her out of the clamshell. She wants to be free. Okay. Oh, this is just paper. The poster is just paper. That's one accessory. Then we have the staff. You have to be careful with the staff. These things tend to get broken. Okay, the staff. And then we have the figure herself. Apologies. Oops. So that is Zatanna out of her box finally after a good 7 years if this was released 2016. Okay, so she's such a cutie. So you can see a lot of movable parts. Let's take a look at what else is here. I'm glad to see that there are alternate arms. Okay. Take a look at the alternate arms. Okay, closed and semi-open. Can I get them out? There we go. Okay. Okay, this one seems to be holding like the wand, and the rest are closed fist. Yeah. Okay. Put them on the side. And then we have a stand. Okay, I really like it that products like this have a stand. That makes putting them on the shrine faster. Ooh, there's also a holder. Okay, let's figure it out. Batman, the animated series. Ooh. It's a mini poster. The animated series, the new Batman Adventures. Okay, I haven't watched this new Batman Adventures. Probably look them up. Okay, so we can see other characters here: the Batmobile, Batman and Phantasm, Commissioner Gordon, Ra's al Ghul, Etrigan and Clarion, Harley Quinn, Firefly, Anti-Suit Batman and Clayface, but of course our figure Zatanna is there also. Okay, put it on the side. You can see the plate here. Zatanna. Okay, nothing there. Okay. And then this should be the instruction manual. Okay, so you can pop out her hands. And then this one, just simple snap. Okay, just put it and then snap it, I guess. Okay, sorry. Okay, what do we do? I can adjust it the way I want. Okay, let's do that for now. Doesn't fit though. Maybe it's reverse. Oops. Okay, these things you don't have to really force. Because the more you do, the more it breaks. So just be patient and it should go as planned. Okay, can we try to pose her like this though? Okay, let's see. Okay, feet is a bit stretched out. The other legs, like that. Oh, she doesn't have any hip action. Okay, so that would be a bit hard. The other hand is open. The head turns though, but we need to change her hand into something that can hold a wand. Okay, and then she's gonna hold the wand here, and that's gonna be stretched out. Okay, does she have a better wand? Okay, there you go. Okay, and hold. Zatanna, please. Okay, because she doesn't have hip action, that's why we cannot fully mimic the pose. Okay, but that should be like this. Can we put this any lower? Oh, we can. Okay, so let's lower that. And that should just be on the leg. Nope. Better to have it on her, what's call this, hip. Okay, apologies. Ooh. Oh, there's a leg action going on here. It's a bit weird. And then this one also. Okay. Okay. Let's see how that works. That might help us pose her a little more. First time I've seen that in an action figure. That leg action. There you go. Probably this will be the closest we can get. Okay. So we have Zatanna in Heroclix and in action figure form from the animated Batman, the animated series. So what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, bye-bye!